Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters here in Junction City, Oregon. I'm Gary.Christiance, but yeah, I'm the van guy, and I got a Revel for you today. 2022 Revel in stock for sale. 2022 Revel, Mercedes-Benz four-wheel drive. We're going to start at the rear of the coach, where you have a 6'4" long bed that goes all the way up to the ceiling near the roof air conditioner to provide you plenty of storage space inside the unit. It's got tie downs on the floor. It's got a lot of storage. There's a little basket underneath the bed that you can put your clothes in to keep it out of the way. Your lithium batteries are all back there. Got little nets all over the place for additional storage. The cargo doors open in the back. It does have a ladder that you can remove off the back door and put on the side of the vehicle to access the roof for additional storage. It does tow 5,000 pounds. It has a receiver hitch and wiring already. Moving forward on the door side, you've got a nice pantry with adjustable shelves. You've got 3 drawers and another drawer off on the left-hand side with the induction cooktop that slides out. That way it's not taking your counter space up when you're not using it. They redesigned it, as you will probably know. They put a compressor refrigerator at the end of the counter in the kitchen. That way when the side doors open, you could just reach in and access things in the refrigerator. It does have a 110 outlet. You've got your awning controls also to extend the awning. Windows are double pane. They do swing out. It's got a bug screen as well as a privacy screen on all the windows. It has a nice side entry screen door that can be zipped up to keep the bugs out and not let the puppy out. Going up in the cab area, it's got a nice overhead storage area. Both seats are power. They both do swivel around. You've got your gorgeous screen up front that you can talk to get directions by Mercedes. All leather, power mirrors. Moving behind the driver's seat towards the rear of the unit, you've got your dinette with shoulder restraints. Then you have your power center. You got your solar chargers, your Xantrex inverter, all your controls for your tank levels, your battery level, your water pump, the Xantrex inverter, which of course runs off the lithium to give you power, and then also it has another alternator under the hood that charges your lithium system. Temperature gauge is off on the left just above all the light switches and your Xantrex controller to turn it on and off. And then on the left up above, it shows a little bed with a key, and that raises the bed up and down. There is a nice cabinet over the dinette, the seating behind the driver's seat. And if you move behind that, you're going to have your closet. So it's a closet, it's a shower, it's storage shelves. It's a combination of whatever you want to make it. Very versatile, very compact, and ready to hit the road. Thanks for taking a couple minutes out of your busy day to take a look at this gorgeous Revel that we have in stock. If you have any questions on the product, call Gary.Christiance, the van guy, 541-554-9581. Good day.